Welcome, my ever faithful internet audience. This is Devang Pujit Roy from BAE 360, here to give you a gist about what's going on around you. So let's get into it. Riots in Bangalore have dark consequences. The riots emerged on Tuesday night at DJ Halli in Pulakesh Nagar locality over an alleged social media post about a communally sensitive issue posted by the MLA's relative. The lawmaker's house was completely damaged, the belongings were looted, while the rest was set on fire. The Karnataka Revenue Minister said that the rioters will be dealt with an iron hand and the riot was a well-planned act intended to spread to the other parts of the city. He claimed that the violence was planned to terrorize the people of Bengaluru and says the government will make an example so that no one ever dares to take the law in their hands. The antisocial elements of the society have always created a mess, and now the Karnataka state government thinks that if they are not dealt with firm actions, these incidents will keep happening. Mount Sinabung eruption dumps ash on neighboring villages. Indonesia's Mount Sinabung erupted and threw 16,000 feet of ash into the air, covering almost 3 districts and darkening the sky. The volcano was dormant for nearly 400 years before 2010 when it became active. Indonesia lies in the Pacific Ring of Fire and is thus home to many active volcanoes. The Ring of Fire is a region along the Pacific Ocean that is characterized by frequent volcanoes eruption and earthquakes. It is a home to about 75% of the world's active volcanoes and 90% of its earthquakes. Here is how the sky is spewed with ash after the eruption occurred. The skies got darker, said the nearby resident, and this is how the ash kept spreading over the area. When we thought what was missing in the year 2020, a volcanic eruption. That's it. I mean, after everything, why not? Who is Kamala Harris? With the USA in the midst of a reckoning of its history of racial injustice, Joe Biden was pressed to select a woman of color. He picked Kamala Harris as his running mate on Tuesday. She was the first Asian American on a major presidential ticket. She is the daughter of an Indian mother from Chennai, Shamila Gopalan Harris, a cancer researcher who passed away in 2009, and a Jamaican father, Donald Harris. Her parents got separated when she and her sister were very young. Harris is now the first American with Indian descent to run for vice president. She is the first African American of a major party and only the third woman yet to run for that office. And she is also the first Indian American woman to run for the US president ever. Kamala's uncle, Gopalan Balachandran, said that her views on politics and civil rights were shaped by her strong-willed mother, Shyamelan Gopal. Kamala Harris is now being known as the first of many things around the world. She being the first of many things is really a proud moment for the community that she represents. So that's all for today. See you guys tomorrow with some more crispy updates. Keep following our Facebook page, BAE, blog anything and everything, where we post new contents every day and welcome all the hidden talents out there. The link is in the description. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for daily updates. Thank you.